What's the meaning of chromosomal? Chromosomal. Chromosomal.
Chromosomal. Chromosomal.
Chromosomal refers to anything related to chromosomes, which are long strands of DNA that contain an organism's genetic material. Chromosomes can be found in the nucleus of a cell and determine traits such as eye color, height, and susceptibility to certain diseases. Abnormalities in chromosomes can lead to genetic disorders such as Down syndrome.
Understanding chromosomal abnormalities is important for genetic counseling, diagnosis, and treatment of inherited diseases.
Studying chromosomes can also help scientists understand evolution and the relationships between different species.